This is a fridge door alarm. It goes attached to the fridge door. There is a micro switch that when the fridge door opens, gives power to this microcontroller. It's an 80 MHz. When 5 minutes have passed, it starts beeping this buzzer and it gives power to this transceiver from Nordic Semi, that this will send a signal to the microwave, and in the microwave there is an MP3 module that will say that the fridge door has been open for so long and please close it. This is a battery from a laptop, and this is a battery charger in case it needs to recharge. I don't think it will be very necessary because there is no power when the fridge door is closed, so this is gonna last for a long time. Here there is a LED just to say that the fridge door is open, and here is the general power button. And that's it.